The children of earth call out to the spirits of the land. Hear us, those who dwell in this place. Though it is cold outside, though the greenery has barely begun, though you may sleep beneath the ground or high in the trees, nested warm with your companions, know that we have built a warm fire and we call out to you on this cold day. Spirits of this place, those that move amongst the trees, those who know the ways, those who are here always, we call out to you. We assure you that we stand in harmony with the world, and we offer you welcome. Spirits of the growing green, those who poke through, who ask, is it yet our time? Spirits, those that come up, those that seek the sun, we offer you welcome. To all our allies, those who aid and guide and challenge us, those who walk with us down dark roads and bring a light that warms our hearts, we offer you welcome. Come to our fire, nature spirits. Meet us at the boundaries. Guide us and ward us as we walk the elder ways. Nature spirits, accept our sacrifice.